Hi there, welcome to Kneppy Invest. So what's up with companies releasing trading updates after the session has closed for the day? Yesterday it was Nanosonics. Today it is Domino's Pizza. At least Nanosonics released their announcement at 4:30 p.m. For some reason, Domino's Pizza wanted to leave it to the last second, releasing their trading update at 7:17 p.m. And I'm not the happiest camper here because I was winding down for the day. I put the T20 or the Big Bash final on. I've got it on the side here. Heat 1 for 52 right now after 7.3 overs. I don't care who wins that game. I'm a much bigger Test cricket fan than T20. It's just hit and giggle. And then I decided I'll just go to ComSec just to see if there's any stragglers. If there's any company who's decided to wait to the last minute to release an announcement today. And then I saw Domino's Pizza's trading update, and I just have to do a video on it. I did a video on Nanosonics, so I thought, why not do a video on Domino's Pizza? I have not looked at this announcement yet. So if you like this sort of video where I go blindly into an announcement and you can see my reaction. So my first thoughts is this is going to be a negative update. Why would you release a training update at 7:17 p.m. if it's positive? If it's positive, you release it just before trading begins for the day. You release it at 8 a.m. Now, there is a possibility, and I admit this, but I'm just being cynical here, but there is that possibility that Domino's Pizza management didn't get the numbers until late in the afternoon, and they decided just to release this information in the evening. But still, they could have waited to tomorrow morning. And it's just me being cynical again. I just thinking the management of the company are just thinking, well, maybe we can push this through without anyone noticing. But we are going to notice. I look at all announcements that are released after trading has finished for the day. Every single, well, not every single one deeply, but if I see a trading update announcement, I'm going to have a look at it. So I have not opened up this announcement just yet. So this could be interesting. Now, I have opened up a couple of other Domino's Pizza announcements, one from the JGM, one from the financial year 23 results, just in case we have to compare the results or the trading update to any sort of guidance they have released in the past. So let's have a look at this trading update from Domino's Pizza. So again, I think this is going to be negative. Again, I think it's going to be negative. And we can get a bit of a clue if it's negative or positive straight away from the first point. So the first point says nothing significant. Domino's is delivering on a wide-ranging program to optimize the business, blah, blah, blah. Tells us nothing. That's not important. Okay, second point starts off good. Strong sales growth in Germany, Australia, New Zealand, and a positive operational performance in Europe. However, now they have not included that word, but this is the however bit, it seems like. Those strong sales growth in all those different regions have been offset by negative first half same store sales in Japan, Taiwan, Malaysia, and France, which are weighing on the broader business. So we have positives, we have some negatives. So overall, so far, this is nowhere near as negative as Nanosonics. It all depends on the market perception and the expectations of the market, and they have included some numbers. So this is very important to how the market is going to react to this tomorrow morning. So I'm going to be interested in that. In fact, I might do a live reaction to Domino's Pizza when it starts trading at 9 a.m. tomorrow, local time, or 10 a.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Saving Time. Now, interesting in this bit, they've included the net profit before tax. So they are expecting that in the first half. And, the first half is already over. So they should be quite aware of what the numbers are going to be. So net profit before tax, why not just include net profit after tax? I suppose tax can be different from one year to the next. But net profit before tax is expected between 87 and 90 million. And this is below the previous corresponding period, which is 104.8 million, but higher than the second half of financial year 23, which is 74.4 million. Can't quite remember if they gave any guidance at the AGM, so we'll have a look at that in a second. So this is the first 26 weeks of the year. Funny enough, it's the first half. Now, in this little table, they've included same-store sales, and that is my favorite metric when it comes to retail companies because you exclude any stores that they have open during the half year. So we can see those stores that have been open for the whole half of the year, how they have performed during that time period. They've also included sales, network sales growth, uh, comparing the first half to two different periods. But let's just focus on the same store sales. And they've divided into three different regions: Asia, Australia, New Zealand, and Europe. So Asia, negative 8.9%. That should be a concern to management. Maybe the Asian people are just sick of pizza. Maybe they just don't like pizza anymore. Or maybe it's just Domino's pizza. They like pizza, but Domino's pizza, in my opinion, is a little bit lacking in quality. But for some reason, Australian New Zealand people are loving Domino's pizza. Same store sales up 8.2%. So whatever they're doing in Australia, New Zealand seems to be working, and maybe they can take some of those initiatives over to Asia. Or maybe it just doesn't work in Asia because different cultures, that sort of thing. I don't know. And Europe up 0.6%. Group same-store sales up 1.3%. So at least it's positive same-store sales growth in the whole company. So that's a positive, I suppose. Network sales, 2.139 billion. Network sales growth compared to the previous corresponding period, up 8.8%. So this is not same-store sales. This is stores, same stores, what's it called? Same store sales plus stores they have opened up during the half year. So we have positive 8.8% compared to the previous corresponding period, positive 4.9% compared to the previous half year, which is the second half of financial year 23. Earnings updates, they've already talked about that. This has impacted the group's first half to be between 87 and 90 million. I've already mentioned that. Trading New Zealand, do we have to really look at this? Probably not. Talking about net debt and capital management, net debt has decreased. That's actually a good thing. And outlook. Okay, so no numbers in the outlook. So what I've done here, now I'm going to decrease the size of this if I can. My computer lets me. It's not letting me. So what I'm going to do is compare these numbers to the trading update we saw at the AGM. So this is all stores, so network sales stores, same store sales growth, new organic store addition. So a little bit different. They haven't divided actually they did divide the region just below that. So network sales growth or same store sales growth is plus 2.7%. That was year to date. So a little bit down since this trading update. So it's gone from plus 2.7% to plus 1.3%. Network sales growth plus 12.7% down to 8.8%. I'm pretty sure that is comparing to the previous corresponding period. And also, if you look at the different regions, Asia, negative 6.8%. So actually, has got worse. So it's gone from negative 6.8% to negative 8.9%. Australia and New Zealand has gone from 7% to plus 8.2%. So, and Australia and New Zealand's improving, and Europe has gone from 3.8% to plus 0.6%. So I could see a possibility here that the market doesn't view this particular trading update positively, just compared to the trading update we saw at the AGM. Some of these numbers are down a little bit worse. So I fully expect the share price of Domino's Pizza to be down. I could be completely mistaken because I have no idea what the market is thinking. Share price of Domino's Pizza did fall 1.34%, maybe some loose lips, no idea. That's again me being a little bit cynical. So really interesting. I should probably also include or look at the chart, because I actually do own a little bit of Domino's Pizza and I'm also trading. So this could be an instance, if the share price falls, that I immediately get out of Domino or my trading position in Domino's Pizza. It looks like it wanted to go higher, but we had the same problem in February of last year. It looked like the share price of Domino's Pizza was trying to get higher, and then they released a really negative half-year results, and the share price just nosedived. This looked a little bit stronger. So it looked like share price of Domino's Pizza wanted to rally, but this could put an end to that positive sentiment. Maybe not positive sentiment, but maybe the increasingly positive sentiment to Domino's Pizza. So waiting with bated breath to see how the market responds to this trading update. The very fact they released it so late, and some of the numbers are a little bit down from the previous trading update, makes me think that the market won't take to this trading update well. So I would think a share price decreasing between 5 and 10%. Wouldn't be surprised to see share price drop 20% because sometimes the market overreacts. If I see the share price only dropping a few percent, that would be a surprise at this point in time. So that's all I got for this surprise video on Domino's Pizza because of their silly decision to release a trading update at 7:17 p.m. Maybe they had reasons. I don't know. Anyway, I'm not a financial I was going to say not a trading expert. I'm not a financial expert. So if you do need financial advice or anything like that, make sure you seek out someone who is qualified and can speak to your own financial needs. And that's it for today's video, or this video, not today's video, this video. So if you have any thoughts, any comments, just leave in the comment section of this video. And that's it for this video. Have a good day. Bye.